Welcome to Time to Travel. Today, we're experiencing this stunning sunset at Slipway in Dar es Salaam.
Under the African sky where the wild runs free, there's a place of peace, just come and see. From the plains to the hills where the sunsets glow, Tanzania's calling, it's time to go. Feel the beat of drums, hear the lions roar, walk beside the rivers and the ocean shore, nature's symphony echoing so grand. Step into the magic of this timeless land. Tanzania, Tanzania, feel the rhythm of your heart. Tanzania, oh Tanzania, every journey's a new start. See the acacia trees sway with the breeze, witness herds of elephants moving with such ease. In the Serengeti where the cheetahs run, underneath the vast sky kissed by the sun. Hear the children's laughter in the village square, smell the spices drifting through the open air, taste the culture rich in every bite, dance together in the warm starlight. Tanzania, oh Tanzania, feel the rhythm of your heart. Tanzania, oh Tanzania, every journey's a new start. Trees sway with the breeze, witness herds of elephants moving with such ease. In the Serengeti where the cheetahs run, underneath the vast sky kissed by the sun. Hear the children's laughter in the village square, smell the spices drifting through the open air, taste the culture rich in every bite, dance together in the warm starlight. Tanzania, oh Tanzania, feel the rhythm of your heart. Every journey's a new start. Under the African sky where the wild runs free, there's a place of peace, just come and see. From the plains to the hills where the sunsets glow, Tanzania's calling, it's time to go. Tanzania, oh Tanzania, feel the rhythm of your heart. Tanzania, oh Tanzania, every journey's a new start.